It's funny, we go from one extreme to the other here at the shop today. Spring's coming, and sometimes people hit curves, get flat tires just before the spring rush. So let's go take a walk around here. Customer hit a curb with this vehicle and they put their spare tire on, which is great. But unfortunately, they're doing something that we've seen too many times this year. They're putting the wheel nuts on backwards. And by doing that, it's not holding that wheel on tight. So a customer came in today just for us to check and make sure that the wheels are on correctly, which I'm glad they did because I think we would have lost a wheel today. So now we're gonna fix it up. I'll just do a couple of them for now. And as you can see, it's, gonna be proper. So there's two back on, and you can see the difference. Okay, the wedge is facing into the rim, and it's gonna hold it center. See you later.